We're back at the island here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee to check out the fall decor. Right after that intro, roll that intro. Keith here, welcome to the video. Today we're here at the island of Pigeon Forge. We're just gonna like walk around, see what's changed, check out the lovely fall decor. I know they got a few new rides since we've been here last, so definitely want to check that out. Check out the pricing for you guys. Just generally have a good day. Let's go. I love they have this like old-timey truck with the moonshine still on it there, and some gourds and pumpkins, mums. They do a really good job decorating for the holidays around here. We got some scarecrow over here riding a tractor with some mums and pumpkins and gourds. It's lovely. They have a nice display outside of Old Smoky moonshine here. Got some scarecrows. Very festive for the season out here. Goes all the way around to the front of the building. They really went ham with the scarecrows. We got SkyFly Soar America with the wheel there. The wheel's warming up for the morning. We did a video. You can't video on SkyFly, but I'll try and find some footage. But it's just kind of like a soaring adventure if you've ever been to Epcot. But it's almost even better because it's like faster, more action-packed, I think. It's like steampunk themed. You can kind of get that vibe from the outside of the building here, but it's a really cool storyline. So if you're here at the island, I say don't skip SkyFly. It's probably, in my opinion, the best attraction here next to the wheel. They added a few different things back here, and I think this is one of them. It's like a little ride that takes you up and spins you around. Kind of like, reminds me of Emotional Whirlwind at Disneyland a little bit, if you guys know what that ride is. This ride is new here. This looks like a little bit more exciting, sort of like spinning up and down. It looks like you might hit someone else. I don't know, that'd be exciting. And the cutest thing I think they have back here is this like tractor ride for the little ones. They go around like a little train track on a tractor. They're so cute back here with the theming and everything. I love it. They even have like a little water tower back there and everything. The tractors are awesome. And then they have like a kiddie drop zone. I mean, this thing probably goes up maybe 50 feet in the air. So it's not extreme, so get you a little warmed up for the bigger rides at Dollywood if you do that. And they have like a nice seating area back here too. I think they added all this section back here actually. They were working on it last time we were here this summer. And that tractor ride, this is the barn entrance. It's so cute. They got like little animals on the outside. You go through the actual barn to get on the ride. The theming's on point with this one. And this 360 dance party, someone just told us it like goes all the way around in a full circle. So like you're spinning on the thing on the bottom and then you swing back and forth until you go like all the way around. If you have someone that loves the thrill rides, this one might be for them. And then this is the spinning parrot. It's like a spinning kiddie coaster. It always looks fun and there's always people on this thing. So we haven't done it, but I don't really like spinny things so much, but if your family does, check it out. All right, they have like this other spinny ride. It sort of like goes up and tilts and spins you around. They're big on the spinny rides here, but if you're into that, they got plenty of them. And right over here, they have the old-timey carousel. This actually used to be up closer to like where SkyFly is, but they moved things around and they moved it back here. But this has been here for a while. It really looks like an old authentic merry-go-round, and I kind of wonder if it is. And as far as like eating and drinking, they have Dick's Last Resort. If you like going to places and getting made fun of, then Dick's Last Resort is for you. One thing I'd like to note too is like amongst the fall decorations, they already have out like the deer for the winter festival they're doing mid-November. And right in front of the wheel here, they got a few rides. This is the Happy Swing, sort of spins around. This one doesn't go all the way around, it just sort of goes back and forth. And then they have like a spinning car ride. The cars will like spin around as it goes around the track there. These rides are very fair-like, so if you're familiar with like fair rides, that's sort of what you're getting here at the island. But it's pretty fun for the kids. There's another view of the loading platform for the wheel. Everything tends to open up at 10 a.m. here. They do have like grab-and-go sections here. This is like a little stand where you can get fountain drinks and frozen lemonade and chili dogs and nachos and stuff like that. But yeah, this snack shack right here here. Looks delicious. They have another sit-down restaurant here called the Timberwood Grill. This place is very Applebee's-like, but Chrissy and the kids ate there, and they said it's pretty good. Nathan got the burger last time. He said it was pretty good, and Lauren got the chicken tender. When I ate there, it seemed very Applebee's-like. So if you know what that's like, that's kind of what the menu's like here. And they have this fun, like, little arcade shooting gallery here. Kind of looks like Tow Mater a little bit. I'm sure it's not affiliated. They also have this giant ropes course if you're into ropes courses. Walk across a whole bunch of beads, and you can even jump off the end there if you're so inclined. And here's the ticket center that you come. It's right behind the Timberwood Grill we just looked at, and right by the arcade and the ropes course. But here's sort of like the current pricing and stuff like that. As you can see, the rides are like $5.99 each, and the wheels like $16 for adults. So they also have like combos you could do, like if you want to do the quick jump, you know, with the ropes course, you could add that. And like if you want to do all the things, you could get the unlimited rides pass, which includes the Thunderdome bungee and the Great Smoky Mountain wheel. So that's actually probably the best deal, like if you're going to be staying at the Margaritaville, or if you're just here for like several hours and you want to just do everything, I would probably get the unlimited pass, because if you do the individual things, that $5.99 is going to add up real fast, and that $16 per adult is going to add up real fast too. So I think if you're going to be here for a while, consider getting the ultimate ride pass. And they do have like an arcade. If you've been to the Smoky Mountains, you know they have arcades everywhere down here where you can like win tickets and win prizes for your tickets. This one's a pretty good size, so like, you know, your kids can spend hours and lots of your money in there winning tough prizes. And they also have this mirror maze and virtual reality thing inside there, and bumper cars inside that building back there. We like the mirror mazes. They're pretty fun. And we haven't tried out the virtual reality or the bumper cars, but they look like a good time too. And the trading post back here by the mirror maze and whatnot is just like the main gift shop for the island. It's got lots of cool Smoky Mountain stuff in there, so definitely check it out. If you're here at the island, check out the bear right in front of the island trading post with a gecko right behind him. Or it might be a salamander, because there's salamanders all over the Great Smoky Mountains. One of our favorite places to eat here when we're at the island, or actually down here in the area, is Mellow Mushroom. And if you're staying at the Margaritaville, they make it real easy. There's a button in your room on your phone. You just hit the button and you can order your pizza. Now, I don't think they bring it to your room, but you can order it and come down here because it's real close, right back there on Market Street. And we got some more fall decor out here, some more mums, a tractor. Hey, this is all right out in front of the Smoky Mountain wheel. Here's the giant dome that you can get in there and bounce around in. They actually hook you up to some bungee so you can flip around in there if you want. And right behind that, they have another like super kiddie drop tower. This one probably only goes up like 25 feet or whatever. So for the littler kids, if they don't want to go on the bigger one on the other side, they can hop on this one. They have a delicious fun shop back here and a bakery right next door. I love the retro vibe of the bakery over there. Kind of like reminds me of some 60s neon over there. There's a reindeer right in front of the turban shop. It's kind of a mixture of fall and Christmas down here, because they even have some more like lights right in front of the toy shop there on Market Street. But anyway, Market Street is like where all the shopping is, you'll find. And we'll just take a quick walk through here and look at some of the shops. Maybe not all the shops, but some of the shops to give you a good idea what you'd find. Like the Tervis shop right there. We've got many things from Tervis. More Christmas decorations right in front of the grown-up shop. This is like the Hildebrand Family Vlogs giving you the sneak preview of the Christmas decorations here at the island too. You're getting fall and Christmas. Bonus. Oh, look at the guy outside the puzzle shop. They got this scarecrow making a puzzle. So the Kryptonite character store here, they don't lie. Like every time I go in here, I swear I walk out with something. Like that's where Lauren got her Loungefly right there, her Stitch Loungefly. And Eric just bought another Loungefly for Beth. Spoiler alert, he's probably already given it to her, so it's probably fine. They're definitely having an identity crisis because we found yet more Christmas decorations here amongst the fall decorations right in front of the Pepper Palace. And you don't really have to be staying at the Margaritaville, but they have a spa back here if you are and you're interested in that, where they do like massage and facials and stuff like that. So anyone can come here and go to the spa. You don't have to be staying here. So if you're interested, check it out. Also, if you are staying at the hotel, they have guest elevators throughout the island. Just look for like the sign right there that says elevator number 2, and you just use your key card and you can get in and get up to your hotel room without having to walk all the way back to the Margaritaville, which is way around the front of the building here. They do have Parrot Mountain here. They do bring a few birds down here and you can take pictures pictures with them. Not your own pictures, mind you. They won't let you take your camera in there. You have to buy their own picture package. So if you're into escape rooms, they have that here too. Again, they're adding snowflakes to the side of the building here, and the Christmas stuff starts in mid-November. So preview, and they got a cool fountain there with some more Christmas decorations behind it. If it was on, we could really give you this sneak preview of the Christmas decorations here at the island. At the Margaritaville, they also have like a coffee shop here where you can get coffee, smoothies, things like that. They also have like grab and go stuff like muffins and danishes and stuff like that. So quick breakfast in the morning, then that leads you right into the main lobby here. And they were working on this compass that's in every Margaritaville. They were working on redoing it. It looks redone now, so pretty cool. Also, we have a review of this hotel. If you want to check it out, I'll link it up here. They still have a little fall in the Margaritaville here. Some displays over here, and in front of the Great Smoky Mountain picture there, they got a few things. Fall still peeking its head through here a little bit at the front desk too. But they redid this whole seating area too with new carpet and stuff like that. Looks like they redid some of the furnishing. That fireplace has always been there. It's really cool. It passes through to the Finn's Bar and Chill on the other side, and Chrissy ate there last time we were here, and she said it was pretty good. She said it kind of reminded her of like the Land Shark in Gatlinburg, so I'll link that video up here if we have, I'm sure we have one, so you can sort of see like what the menu's sort of like. And of course they have a Margaritaville restaurant here and gift shop. The restaurant's pretty huge, so it seats a lot of people. We've never really had to wait too long here, but I can imagine like during super packed times, it's probably a little bit of wait, but it's actually really good. And I would suggest eating here, give it a shot, even if you just come in for some drinks, because the Margaritaville has some delicious drinks. But check out that cool Pigeon Forge chair they got. You can take a picture there and use that hashtag. You might show up in their feed. And some more behind the scenes Christmas stuff. They were sort of building this when we were here the other day, and it looks even bigger. And they got a deer over here next to it now. All right, that was our trip out to the island to check out the fall decorations they have. And bonus, we got a sneak peek of the wintertime decorations that they're putting up. So hey, we weren't expecting that one in the video. But I would just say the island, if you're looking for something to do in Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, Sevierville, definitely come to the island, even just for like an hour or two, grab something to eat, visit some of the shops. You know, this is always a great place, and it's probably like our favorite thing to do next to Dollywood in Pigeon Forge. So definitely check it out when you're here. It's always a great time, and there's something for the whole family, which is important too. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this one up here though, but make sure you hang out for just a little bit longer because we'll have some end cards with video suggestions, and we'd love it if you'd watch another video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you got something out of this video, or you just want to help keep the show on the road, consider clicking that super thanks button down there. Any way you choose to support the channel, we really appreciate it. I'd love to know who made it this far in the video. If you did, say a great time at the island down there in the comments to let me know you made it this far into the video. All right, everyone, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.